Hey guys, welcome to a comprehensive video on how to use smart algo indicators. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get started from our website to Discord setup and all the way to TradingView. So first, you want to head over to our website at smartalgo.com and go to the pricing section where you want to purchase the indicators. And then after that, you want to join our Discord. So everything will be on the purchase page. So when you join Discord, make sure to verify in the Discord bot and then raise a ticket. So you want to head over to ticket support and click create a ticket and type in your TradingView username, email you used to purchase, and order number. So on TradingView, you want to head over to the indicators tab and click on invite only scripts. So under here, you want to search for the Smart Algo Pro indicator and click it to add it to your chart. So this is what the indicator looks like when you add it to your chart. We recommend using the Heiken Ashi candlesticks when you trade because overall we noticed from our testing and from our members testing that the Heiken Ashi produces better results over the regular Japanese candlesticks. So in order to change the settings or to add more indicators from the indicator suite of the Smart Algo Pro V2, you want to head over to the gear icon here and click it, and you can see all of the different indicators and settings that is part of the indicator suite. So first off, we have the buy and sell indicator. This is just the standard buy and sells you see on the chart, and then you can change the sensitivity of the signals. So you can set it to low, medium, and high. So if I set it to medium, you can see that the signal frequency will increase dramatically. So as you can see, we have doubled the amount of signals. So we went from one buy trade here, one sell trade here, and a buy somewhere here to having more trades during this rangy market condition. So having medium sensitivity may be good if the market is trending, but you guys want to be careful when the market is ranging, as you will get more losing trades. So we have the show bar colors here. So here you can change the different bar colors. So let's say I want to change the color from blue to, I don't know, yellow. You can change it to yellow and then the color will change. So the moving average filter is a trend filter where you can select a range of different moving averages as well as the moving average period. So if I turn this on and change it to exponential, that means that if price is above the 200 EMA, then only buy trades or buy signals will be printed, and if price is below the 200 EMA, then only sell trades will be printed on the screen. So you can see that as price is above the 200 EMA, only buy trades and buy signals are on the screen. So first we have the dashboard indicator. So I'm just going to turn this on by clicking on this checkbox here, and then I'm going to change the dashboard size from small to normal. So you can see that the dashboard provides a multi-time frame analysis of the overall trend of the different time frames. So we can see that from the 1 minute all the way to the daily, that the gold is in a bullish uptrend momentum. It also shows that the latest trade is a buy here in the first green box here. So you can use this dashboard to determine what trades you want to enter or how you want to analyze the markets and build it into your own trading system. So next we have the trailing stop loss. This is also once again very self-explanatory. So let's say we have a buy trade here. We would place a stop loss, let's say below this low point here, and when price hits a risk reward of 1-to-1, then maybe we would move our stops to the green line. So we trail this all the way up here. So we trail all the way up here and price reverses, it takes us out at maximum profit. So you can change the settings of the trailing stop loss. So for example, if I want a looser trailing stop, I can select the loose option. And you can see that it has changed slightly, and you can see that the trailing stop loss has slightly moved backwards. So the supply and demand indicator is for the smart money concept traders, the SMC traders. So you can see that the blue rectangle zones represent areas of demand and the red zones represent areas of supply. So you can use this as an area of entry or double confirmation. For example, this area here, when price retraced back to the area of demand, we can see that it had an initial reaction, price stayed in it for a bit, and then had a very large move upwards, which lasted all the way up here for a total of over 9,000 points. So the power moving average is our version of the moving average. It sticks closely to the price. And so for example, if you see here, if price is above the moving average, it shows that it is in a short-term uptrend, and if price is below, it shows that price is in a short-term downtrend. And the moving average will change color depending on the direction of the trend. The change of character and break of structure indicator is also for the SMC traders. So it shows the internal structure breaks and change of characters. You'll see what I mean here, where we have only the internal structures. So it only shows the internal structures and not the external structure breaks. So for example, this break of structure here, it is not printed, but this internal break of structure and change of character is shown on the chart. So if you want the external market structure, you want to turn on the market structure indicator and you'll see the difference between the two. So you can see that after turning it on, you can see the external market structure breaks here, here, and here. It also shows the overall market structure, for example, the higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. Next we have the support and resistance indicator. So let me turn the other indicators off and turn the SR on. So you can see that on the screen we have these red zones and blue zones. So the red zones are areas of resistance and the blue zones are areas of support. You can see that price hit the upper area of resistance and it bounced all the way back down to this area of demand. So you can use this as an entry method. So for example, if price retests this area of support, we can enter here and we can take price all the way up to here and we can take profit here. So you can use the indicator in a multitude of ways. For example, you can set it as an entry point. So here you can enter a short here and a buy here, or you can set it as a take profit level. Next up, we have the reversals. So the reversals print a diamond shape on the candlesticks when it shows that there is a potential reversal. So for example, let's turn off the moving average filter. You can see that here there are pink diamonds, which means that after this candle has closed, there is a potential for a reversal. So you can see here that we have a single blue diamond. After this reversal point has been printed, price went to a very large uptrend. So the reversal bands indicator are for our traders who like to trade reversals. For example, when price hit the bottom bands here, it reversed into this really big up move, and then up after this upward movement we had a retracement down to the lower bands here, where we once again had more reversals here, here, and here. However, guys, keep in mind that price does not always respect the reversal bands, and that reversal trading is considered contrarian trading, which means trading against the overall trend. So always be careful when you're trading contrarian. So lastly, we have the trend lines. So you can see that it auto places the trend line. So for example, let's say if price falls below and closes below this line here, then that means that the short-term market trend has closed bearish and that we should expect bearish momentum and movement. Or if we're in a buy trade, we could set targets to this zone up on the top here or on this middle line here. So you can also set take profit and stop loss by turning the show to on. And for our traditional method, you can see that it shows the stop loss, take profit 1, 2, and 3 on the screen. So you can see that with the traditional method, it shows the stop loss lines as well as TP1, 2, and 3 on the screen. For those of you who like to use a more discrete, minimalistic type of look, you can change it from traditional to minimal. So you can see that in a second here, that instead of having the stop loss lines and TP lines, we just have the take profit indicators here. So we see that there's TP1 reached, TP2, and TP3. Every indicator shown here can be adjusted. You can play around with the settings below in the inputs tab of the SMRT Algo Pro V2, but overall we recommend keeping the default settings as that's what worked best. So if you want access to the SMRT Algo Pro indicator, check out the first link in the description.